Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Date, the 29th of July 2021 day, Thursday. Dispel, verb, dur karna. Vanish. Synonyms, eliminate, dismiss. Antonyms, engender. Example sentence. They did nothing to dispel their dejection. Threaten, verb, dhamkana. Menace. Synonyms, intimidate, browbeat. Antonyms, assist. Example sentence. To threaten someone is something that should be avoided. Offensive adjective, apmanjanak, insulting. Synonyms, rude, derogatory. Antonyms, complimentary. The allegations made are deeply offensive to us. Cumulative adjective, sanchay, increasing. Synonyms, accumulative, growing. Antonyms, subtractive. Example sentence. The cumulative effect of 2 years of drought. Presumptuous adjective, abhimani, praising. Synonyms, overconfident, arrogant. Antonyms, timid. Example sentence. If I offer some advice, I hope I won't be considered presumptuous. Considerable adjective, vishesh, distinguished. Synonyms, noteworthy, noted. Antonyms, insignificant. Example sentence. She was a considerable novelist. Veteran, noun, anubhavi, old hand. Synonyms, old timer, old stager. Antonyms, novice. Example sentence. He is a veteran sitar player. Stoke, verb, indhan jhonkna, fuel. Synonyms, mend, add fuel to. Antonyms, diminish. Example sentence. He stoked up the barbecue. Introspection, noun, atmanirekshan, brooding. Synonyms, self-analysis, soul-searching. Antonyms, extrospection. Example sentence. Quiet introspection can be very valuable. Erect, verb, nirman karna, build. Synonyms, construct, put up. Antonyms, demolish. Example. The guest house was erected in the 18th century. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.